Based on the text, what is true about Miss Ochiltree's acquaintances? The following text is adapted from Charles W. Chestnut's 1901 novel, The Mayor of Tradition. Miss Ochiltree was a woman of strong individuality, whose comments upon her acquaintances, present or absent, were marked by a frankness at times no less than startling. This characteristic caused her to be more or less avoided. Miss Ochiltree was aware of this sentiment on the part of her acquaintances, and rather exulted in it. So option A says they try to refrain from discussing topics that would upset Miss Ochiltree. This is incorrect because in the text it didn't say that her acquaintances refrained from discussing topics that would upset her. It says that they just avoided Miss Ochiltree. So A is incorrect. B. They are unable to spend as much time with Miss Ochiltree as she would like. This is incorrect because in the passage it doesn't say that Miss Ochiltree would like to spend more time with her acquaintances. Rather, it says that she knew that her acquaintances avoided her and that she exulted in it, which means that she liked it. C. They are too preoccupied with their own concerns to speak with Miss Ochiltree. This is incorrect because in the text it didn't say that her acquaintances were preoccupied with their own concerns. Rather, it just says that they avoided her. D. They are likely offended by what Miss Ochiltree has said about them. This makes sense because it says that Miss Ochiltree's comments about her acquaintances were marked by a frankness that at times was startling, and this characteristic caused her to be more or less avoided by her acquaintances. So it would make sense that because her comments were startling, that her acquaintances avoided her, that they were offended by what Miss Ochiltree has said about them. So D is the correct answer.